Okay, so make sure when you type in that you don't hit cancel or use the X out part, because if you do, you're going to lose everything that you typed. So be sure you press accept and that you submit the question. Okay, so where is the key terms section? It has glossary of items that you can print if you would like, for things that you're going to want to know. The grades and tools spot is where you're going to be able to go to see help for Blackboard, to send an email, and to see my grades. It's going to be the most important thing because you're supposed to check it. Now, I don't have grades because I'm a teacher, but that would be where you would go to view your grades and your feedback, which I posted as an instructional in the email that I sent earlier to welcome everyone. So there's instructions on how to check grades there. If you need instructions on how to check grades or a video how-to, I can send that to you again. Just send an email to let me know. Okay, the live class that you're going to attend has a button here, and once I post these recordings, you will see a button. Let me show you my mode. Below that, that'll say recorded classes, and once there's something in there, see it's empty, so it's not really visible. You'll be able to see that information. Okay, make sure you're organized and you follow the calendar that's posted in the announcements. The assignment modules are sequential. It is in your best interest to complete everything in order. I don't just mean complete Unit 0 before Unit 1. I mean complete everything that's inside Unit 1 in the order that it's posted. It should go without saying, but please, please actually do your assignments before you take the assessments. We do not currently have retakes on all of the assessments. The online campus will have those hopefully starting next year, but right now, because you're doing the course online with our accreditation, we are going through another accreditation and audit. But because you're doing those assignments away from home already, they haven't set aside any time for those to have been redone. Now, the quarter exams and midterm final, those are not allowed to be retaken even at base schools, so those are never going to have a retake. There are some assignments that already tell you that you have up to 2 submissions. If I grade it and you are unhappy with your grade or think you could improve it by correcting, that means that you could go ahead and correct it for up to 100% if you correct the assignment, if it allows multiple submissions. If I really think you should resubmit something, because I'm worried about your understanding and I've given you feedback, then absolutely read that feedback and make sure you're resubmitting. Okay, daily assignments for submission are open book. Unit quizzes, they're one or more per unit, are also open book. Sounds like a little quiet guy there. They're multiple choice and free response. They're a single attempt, but they are open book on the unit quizzes. The unit tests at the end of each unit are closed book. So pay very close attention to whether or not this test and your face-to-face test that you're doing at the end of each quarter are a grade discrepancy of 2 letter grades or more. The quarter exams and the final exam are closed book, closed notes. You're not going to get any resources there. They should be very similar to your unit tests because those are also closed book. That's where you're going to end up with a 2 letter grade discrepancy that requires all exams face-to-face. Quarter and final exams are face-to-face. They're closed book, multiple choice, and free response. Notebooks, textbook assignments are absolutely open book. They include short answer, multiple choice, and free response, and they're collected at the quarter and final exams to check for accuracy and completion. But I also post up the answers to all of the textbook assignments. Okay, make sure on submitting assignments that you are not typing in the comment box unless you're just making a comment to me about the assignment, about a reminder. Remember, Miss Gordon, you said because of my play preview, I could submit this a day late. Please don't penalize it because it's going to be marked as late by the computer automatically. That you're browsing your computer and that you're only uploading PDFs, not JPEGs. If you have any questions about the orientation, about the course material, about the content, the calculus, or how to submit something, please call me at the office during normal business hours, or you can email me. My email address is here. It's also in Blackboard. There's Caroline, constantly waiting. good luck, and I cannot wait to get started with you in calculus this year.